What is going on, miners, and welcome back to the Hobbyist Miner channel. So today we're going to go ahead and a quick video on an update on our HVAC. So if you guys remember in my last video, we actually had a whole bunch of things laid out on the floor here for our HVAC setup, and we were talking about it. And it's been getting really hot down here. I work right here, and the mining room is right over there, but I moved all my gear out here because I'm doing some work inside of that room. Why not walk over instead of pointing across the room? So in this room I've started to do some work here. I'm going to start working on some of the electric outlets in here for our 240 volt. So I moved the rigs as well as everything else out here on the outside of it. I'm going to be pulling in some of the foam insulation here shortly, which should be awesome to have in here. So let's talk a little bit about these guys. So if you guys don't recall my last video, I put these in. These are 4-inch passive vents. The only thing I do want to do, and if you guys have a recommendation, let me know. This is going to be drywall, okay? And then this is what you're going to see on my side of the drywall. I'm thinking about some type of filter, even like a circular filter or something that I can pop this off the wall and clean out the filter and put it back in, because that is bringing in fresh air, so like pollen and everything else. So if you guys have any recommendations on a 4-inch circular filter that you think will do the trick, please let me know. So we were talking about the HVAC here and kind of how we're going to design this to suck the air out of this room. Two different types of fans. I actually showed you guys in a previous video 2 12-inch fans that were hooked up to like a register box, that were hooked up to a reducer, that would be hooked up to one of these guys, which are the 6-inch guys that go outside. Well, it's been getting really hot down here. 85 degrees, sitting, as I said, right here, working right next to. That setup is rough. And I have about 2 to 3 weeks before I can go ahead and get all the HVAC system installed in that back room there. So what do we do in the meantime? Well, here's what we came up with. So these are the two fans, and we decided to build them into our window. So what I did was I screwed them. Look at these perfect old rusted washers I found in my garage. I screwed them directly to the board here and directly to this board here. Okay. Then what I did was I placed them into the window so that this piece of wood, as you can see, goes over where the window goes, okay? And then we went ahead and put a piece of 2x4 here and a 2x4 here to seal up the rest of that window. And then on top of that, I put a board up here so the window can't be opened for security purposes, and I moved our wireless security system sensor up there. So there's no way this is getting opened. So, that being said, these fans are awesome. They're so cool. So I do have them wired down into a surge protector right now, and they've been doing work. I mean, you can see right here, it's been 74 down here because of turning these guys on. And actually, there's I gotta find it. Where did I put it? Is it in here? Where are they? Here they are. Perfect. So they come with this guy. Bring it over here, show it to you guys. Okay, so it comes with a full fan controller, and it just plugs right in here, and this plugs into an outlet. So I don't need this right now, but I will be using this once we get this in our mining room. But if you just plug it right into an outlet, oh, it's getting all crazy on me. Let's see if we can fix it. Maybe. Man, can't wait for the new camera to come in. So if you plug it right into an outlet, it gives you full speed, which is 1600, things like 1620 CFM is how these things work, and when they're on high. And pretty much, like, there's actually, if you look through here, there's actually shutters. And when you turn them on, the shutters just open. And so I have a screen out here, actually. So it goes fan, the shutters, and then the screen's right there, which works out perfectly. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you real quick here. Let's turn these on, because I can't go ahead and talk about cooling without turning these suckers on. So there you have it. they are doing work. So traditionally it's about low 70s over here now, and these are just sucking the air out of this basement, which is awesome. And then over here it's right about 80 right now, which is and that'll drop down to about 78. Because I went ahead and had that off, with the fan off to chat with you guys, it did bump it up quite a bit. Now, something that is working 1000% better than what I expected was these. So when that fan is on over there, you can put your hand right here, and all I feel is cool air blasting through here. Like it's creating a push-pull effect. It's pushing the air out there, and that negative pressure. This is like right here. I can put my hand here. It feels like the air conditioner's on. This is just going straight outside, guys, to a vent similar to this. So this is working perfectly. So when I put those two fans in this little room up here, it's going to be sucking a ton of air through here. I've actually been thinking about adding 2 more of these in this room, maybe even one here and one here, in order just to allow more airflow to be coming in this room, because the air is just going to get, once this room's sealed up with the insulation board, drywall, and we're putting an external rated metal door in right here, it should be pretty good. But yeah, that's a quick update on kind of just how warm it's getting right now in Pennsylvania, and the fact that on top of mining in this basement and working down here now, it's just been really brutal. So anyways, guys, I'll keep you guys updated as we make more progress on the crypto mining basement. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care.